Presenting FitSpark Eagle i9 Plus, professional dual-screen native 4K 30FPS Wi-Fi action camera in color black. The dimensions of the product are 6.5 cm by 2.6 cm by 4.35 cm and it weighs 66 grams. This product offers the native 4K 30 frames per second crystal clear videos and features that one will love to explore. It is the first in-class action camera to offer dual screens. It features an intuitive 2.0 rear screen and a dazzling new full-frame color screen that lets you take selfies in any extreme environment. With latest chipset and embedded 6-axis Gyro chip and advanced EIS image stabilization, the camera gives fluid, super smooth movie that is comparable to the most advanced professional action cameras. It offers even better video stability than its predecessor. The moment you connect to a drone, the action camera will automatically switch to drone mode. It reduces unwanted wind noise while biking. The latest chipset gives much better white balance and true 4K color saturation with next-generation IMX386 CMOS sensor. First time ever, the smartwatch-style remote control and reduces the fisheye effect on normal videos. It enables easy and convenient camera control and playback of video image display technology that brings excellent perception. The latest chipset consumes much lesser power and gives longer shooting hours. It has higher capacity of 1350 mAh removable battery with low power dissipation. It is water resistant to a depth of up to 30 meters to meet the requirement of most of the underwater sports records. In the box you will find one Eagle i9 Plus camera, one remote control, user manual, USB charger and 18 accessories. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.